Need a quick scanner but don't have one? Your Android phone already has a hidden, powerful scanner. Forget complicated scanning apps. The fastest way to scan a document on Android is hiding in an app you already use every day: WhatsApp. Open any WhatsApp chat and tap the attachment clip icon. Select Document from the menu. Instead of browsing files, look for the option that says Scan Document or a camera icon. Tap it. Point your camera at the document. WhatsApp's AI will automatically detect the edges and capture it. Need more pages? Tap the plus button to scan multiple documents into one file. Before saving, you can apply a filter for better color correction. Choose between original, grayscale, or enhanced. Now your scanned document is ready. Tap Save, and your professionally scanned PDF is ready to send or save. And just like that, you've turned your phone into a portable scanner. If this simple trick saved you time, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel grow. Let me know in the comments below, what other everyday tech problems should I make a simple guide for next? For more useful tips and direct links to any tools I mention, check the description. I always put the helpful links there. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.